In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Steam fatal error. The first thing to try is right-clicking Steam, going to Properties, then Compatibility and enabling both options there. Go ahead and test it to see if that fixes it. If not, hit Windows key and R to open Run, type in inetcpl.cpl and press OK. Head to Connections, then LAN Settings, and uncheck Automatically Detect Settings. If you're still having the issue, right-click Steam, go to Properties, and copy the file path in the target field. Open Run again, paste the path, add a space, and then rrepair, and hit Enter. This runs Steam in repair mode and scans for any problems. And if none of that works, the last option is a clean reinstall. Go to Apps and Features, search for Steam, uninstall it, and then reinstall it fresh. One tip though, before you uninstall, drag your Steam Apps folder to another drive so you keep all your games. Once Steam is back, just drag it back in and everything will be right where you left it. Hope this helped. If it did, a like and subscribe goes a long way. Thanks for watching.